University of Peshawar, established in year 1950, is considered the mother university of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, as it is the first university of the province. It consists of more than 40 departments. Among these different departments, the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication is one of the valuable and brightest department of a university. Established in year 1985, it is 36 years old and has passed out more than 3,000 students who have been seen working professionally in different media organizations.
First of all, I started writing letters to the editors for newspapers. There was, a very historical newspaper in Peshawar, Khyber Grammar. So I wrote my first letter to the editor for that.
As the chairman of department explained the importance of teaching in journalism, while on other side the building of journalism department is very compact and well architected. The student takes special care for the cleanliness and beauty of the department.
I worked in newspaper The Frontier Post for 6 years as sub-editor and then edition in charge. And I went to the Frontier Post or journalism because I had always been fascinated by newspaper publishing.
Among many achievements of the department, the campus radio station is one of the most important achievements. It came into being in 2002 and was the first campus radio station in South Asia. The campus radio station is an educational and international based radio station which provide a great opportunity for the student of journalism. This department has a very future oriented and modernized classes where the student along with their teacher with the help of modern technologies learn different things. The student of department can be seen reading the Daily Dawn newspaper in the hallway. The Department of Journalism is packed with a very modern and peaceful library where different kind of books and research papers are made available for the student to read and study. They spend most of their free time in library studying books and papers.
The department was given status to a full-fledged department. So at one time it had a borrowed room from geology department, then it were given 2 rooms for its conduct in English department. One room was used as classroom and the other room was the chairman office, administrative staff office. The same room was used as a library, the same room was used as offices of the faculty, and the same room was used as common room of the students.
In 2007, the Department of Journalism made their own TV faculty. In the TV lab, the students are guided to use different production elements and are taught different skills required for the TV. Department also have a separate newspaper room which helps students in news publishing.
In 2002, we moved to this department, which not department, this building, which used to be a union office, Peshawar University Students Union Office. This used this building. By then it was more than enough, but since the launch of the BS program, now we feel that we have not enough room.
Today, a journalism as a career stands not only for a prestigious profession but also for a challenging career options. Journalists play a key role in growth of any nation. The core purpose of journalism is to inform, educate and enlighten the masses on various issues revolving them, and at the end may God succeed us and always shine along with our respectable teachers. Thank you.